This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Now we come to physiology of respiration, how we take respiration. The term respiration means exchange of gases between body cells and the environment. It involves two main processes. Number one, breathing, and number two, exchange of gases. Breathing is the movement of air into and out of the lung, and exchange of gases take place at two levels. One at the lungs level, that is known as external respiration, and at tissue level, that is known as internal respiration. Breathing. Each breath consists of three phases: inspiration, expiration, and pause. What is inspiration? Inspiration or inspiration is the process of taking air inside the lungs. The process of inspiration is active. It needs energy for muscle contraction. Simultaneous contraction of external intercostal muscle and diaphragm help this process. As the lung expand due to the action of these muscles and diaphragm, the air is pulled in the lungs. Expiration. Expiration is the process of forcing air into the outside environment. The process of expiration is passive, means automatically it goes without any muscular action. It does not need energy for the muscle contraction. What happens here? Only relaxation of the muscles, that is external intercostal and diaphragm occurs, and due to elastic recoiling of lungs, it pushes the air which is in the lungs to the outside environment. Next is pause. After the expiration, there is a pause between before starting the next cycle.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.